Updating your payment method on Capsule Pharmacy is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your payment information is current. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Capsule Pharmacy website or open the app. Enter your login credentials to access your account. Step 2. Navigate to Payment Settings. Once logged in, find the Account Settings or Profile section. Look for the option labeled Payment Methods or Billing Information. Step 3. Select Update Payment Method. In the payment settings, you will see your current payment methods listed. Choose the option to update or add a new payment method. Step 4. Enter new payment information. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use SROC to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breach records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your new payment information, look for a Save or Update button. Click it to confirm and save your changes. Once you've completed these steps, your payment method will be updated successfully. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Capsule Pharmacy's customer support for assistance.